Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be learning about how to set up our Apex LSP and our Apex environment in VSCode and in NVim. So let's get started right now. So you do need Java to run Apex code. So you need to download Java. You go to Oracle, and then you do Java download. You go to your respected OS. You download the file. Then you go to your terminal, you go to, after you run it, you go to Java version, see if you have it. Yep, there it is, Java 17. And then, so you have Java, then you go to your VS Code, you go to Apex, you download the Apex extension pack. It's not showing up because I already have it downloaded. And then you go to the Java extension pack, just to, I have it downloaded. So so you have everything and both of them all combined. And then after that, you go to your settings. You go to, what is it? Yeah, here. Then you go to Apex, and then you click where your Java JDK is downloaded. And then you put the path in here. And then you can find this here, usually this page, developer.salesforce.com/tools/vscode/english/vscode desktop /java setup. Usually here are the path files roughly about where, the JDK is downloaded. Depending, you might have to change it. I changed it a little bit, but it was in my program files, and yeah. For my Windows environment. So that's pretty much how you set up Apex for NVim. And then just so, yeah, I get autocomplete. Yeah, so I have it. And then how to set it up for NVim is going to be a little bit more trickier. Let's go back to our Explorer. So whenever it says integrate with Apex LSP, if you're a developer looking to integrate the Apex language server, use this jar file. So you download this jar file, then you go, this is my NVim setup to run it. There's a lot of errors going on. So this little setup here allows me to able to run Apex code. Let me move over here so you can see a little bit better. So, the command is Java because the jar file is a Java file. So Java/jar to let it know you're running a jar file, the path of where that jar file is downloaded at, and then the Apex LSP so it knows, it's an LSP. And then other little bits and stuff about, if file types, you make sure you run it on Apex code, and it's on attach. And then here we run a little bit of Apex code, not that one. Let's get to some coding. Scripts. And then you go to LSP info. Once attached, and it says Apex LS. And then you delete this. Let me see if it does that. Yeah, I'm getting autocomplete. Yep. And there you go. That is Apex running on VS Code and NVim. Hopefully you guys get this going and start writing some Apex code. Thank you.